He's so excited.
We
He's so excited out there.
are finally here.
He is so excited. Babe, he was like freaking out there. I had to bring him back
Bubby,
in.
you love it?
Oh man,
This
Bubby.
is our room. We're at the
Bubby
Nickelodeon
just
Resort.
trashed my sweatshirt. He pulled my thing out.
Punta
It's all right
Cana.
now, babe.
This is the bathroom.
Bubby forgives you.
And let's see what happens here.
We will, baby.
Okay, we've got a retractable blind. Very cool. Look at that. So there's the master suite. There's the bathtub, sinks, toilet, and we have a shower. Look at that. That's nice. Oh yeah, the kids are gonna love this. Hi. All right, I'm gonna bring you in here. So we just arrived from Ohio. This is so cool. So before our room was available, we went to the lighthouse and we had a buffet, which was pretty good, and sat right in front of the pool. And we found out that our room, so we have a TV in our room.
He wants to get in so bad.
We've got
He wants in that water.
some.
Alright, lady, I'm gonna shut this so Hayden can get in there.
We'll get back to what I was saying in just a moment.
Did you see how that mom
Closet space, drawer
Right here.
space.
Look,
Yeah, so our
that's it.
guy
Just, hey, we just
Hector
have to watch your brother
hooked
very
us
closely.
up with a better room. We're giving him like a $5 tip. And check this out. We've got beach view,
Yeah,
swim up pool, or I guess you call this what is this called?
What is it?
This pool?
Oh, the lazy river.
The lazy river. There we
Yep.
go. Got music,
Oh.
safety precaution for children, which we
Yeah.
were worried about.
Yeah,
So
that
we've
was
got a little
super
18
there,
year old.
absolutely.
So, how do you get this open, babe?
It's real easy. Look, you reach over the gate. So kids that are not tall enough to reach over here cannot engage it. You reach across here, pull it open. There you go.
See, that's awesome because we
Yep.
can keep the door open, it gets some fresh air, and then our baby is safe.
We can even go this route. Here, we can open this one up too. I think maybe not. No, this one doesn't open.
No, okay.
No.
Still, so we've got a sitting area out here, a couple seats. Nice.
Let me sneak out here real
We're
quick.
loving
I want
this.
to see something.
And then here is a pull-out couch. This is where our daughter is sleeping. She gets personal TV, some cool lighting. Here's Bubby. All right, so we are here for 6
I'm pretty sure
days. We're
that's a safety
super
feature. The other
excited.
door doesn't open. It has to be engaged through here,
All right,
which is good.
which is awesome though.
Yeah.
That's a shock because they didn't disclose that. I didn't see that online. We also requested a crib to be delivered to the room for our 18-month-old and a high chair. So that is available on request as well. So there it is, guys. How amazing. We're gonna have a blast, and more importantly, our kids are gonna have a blast. So we hope this helped you out. Leave us a comment. Let us know your experience at Punta Cana, or if you have any questions, please
Hey,
message
did you
us.
see the rain shower hit?
All right, bye.